In today's video, we're going to be heading over to the guys and girls at Farnborough Infinity, where Chris is eagerly waiting to teach them how to do the personal fit service provided by Shoei. So, let's get going.
Hi, Chris here. I'm at Infinity Farnborough today to teach these guys about Shoei's personal fitting system. For those of you that don't know, the PFS system is a way of measuring a person's head. So we'll measure the length, the width and the fitting height of the helmet. From that, we'll feed that information into Shoei's PFS system, and that will then give us a recommendation of what pads in which quantities to put where in the helmet to give that perfect fit. So Josh is going to be our guinea pig today. Let's do a fit. Right, Josh, we've got our test subject. If you'd like to pick up the tool and do some measuring.
Cool. So based off what you've told us, Chris, what we're going to do is we're going to start by measuring the length, followed then by the width, and as well as the height of the client's head as well.
Sure.
And then we're going to put it into our system to find out what Shoei recommend off the base of that, and we can then use that to move forward with the rest of the fit.
Correct. So do you remember the first points that we need to look at?
Yes. So we're going to pop it just up to there.
Yeah. And then
Find the point at the back.
find the all-important occipital protuberance.
So we're looking at about 163.
163. I shall input that for you.
And then that's reading at about 146. And then the height, we're looking at 86. And then we'll put all the numbers into our system, and from there we can figure out what the system recommends us to fit this NXR2 with padding wise, and then we'll proceed with putting the pads in and trying them out as such. Based off what the system is telling us, it is recommending us to try an extra small to begin with. So I'm going to hand that to Peter if you want to pop that on for me, and then we can get a feel for the sizing, what it is to begin with, get an idea of what that's like, and then we can put in the PFS recommendation and then see how that feels after that, and basically do a bit of trial and error and get to where we need to be. If we have a look here, how does it feel, would you say, which is in terms of kind of tightness and looseness, would you say it's relatively
fairly snug on the sides,
okay,
loose on the front and
yep,
slightly loose on the back.
Cool. If you hold your head still for me, bit of movement up and down. Okay, well,
There's
what we'll
some
do,
fine tuning there, I think, that we can do with that, Josh. So yeah, if you just whip that helmet off, and then we'll pop in some PFS pads.
so Peter's tried this on already with the recommended settings from the system. She has identified the areas of which need a bit of loosening off, potentially a bit of tightening as well. So what I've done is I've kind of tweaked it from what they've recommended. So we're gonna give that a try in just a moment, but I'll hand you over to Chris because he's gonna take you through some of the pads we're actually putting into the helmet.
Sure. So the pads themselves, there are different densities of sponge. So these ones here are the hards, and these are 3mm thick. There's also soft pads. Soft pads, these are also 3mm thick, but these compact down to about 1.5mm. So effectively, using combinations of soft and hard, we can get that perfect fit. We're currently doing an NXR2. These are the front pads for NXR2. These are the rear pads. These are the whales, as I like to call them, which are the lower sides. These are the little fish which go above them, which are for the upper sides. And then we have these three which go across the crown. And again, using combinations of hard and soft, we can actually raise and lower the eye line within the helmet. So anyway, we're going to try this fit that Josh is doing, and we'll see how it fits.
Give it a try, Peter, to see what you think. How would you say that feels then? Where would you say, is there any excess pressure or anywhere we can maybe put more pressure into?
Nope, I can feel the top now, which is quite nice. The front is feeling quite snug, not too much pressure, and the back again is perfect. Sides are perfect too.
Fantastic.
So what we're looking for is a nice even pressure all around. So if the front, sides, back and top all feel nicely even. Yeah. So yeah, if that's good with you. Eyeline, I would say, Josh, is okay. Depending on what kind of bike she's riding. If it was a naked bike, then that might be suitable. I'd say for a sports bike though, we probably want to raise that helmet just up a little bit, just to give a bit more upwards vision if you're leaning forwards. But from a fit point of view, that's a very good place to start.
Cool, so we're just getting everything ready. So everything that we've kind of taken out of here that the client's going to want to use in their helmet, we are getting everything ready to go to stick onto the crown pad here. So then we can stick it on there, get a kind of second opinion on it all, and hopefully that should be the fit all done and sorted.
So we'd like to affix these to the crown pad.
Yeah, so they're just done with adhesive strips, so it's really nice and easy to apply on. It does also give the flexibility to, if we need to kind of make any kind of alterations to these, it is relatively easy to do so as well. That's all right there. So thanks for watching, guys. That is the PFS all done. Thank you very much, Chris, for coming down to show us, as well as I know you've done it to our Norwich and York store as well. But yeah, if you guys want to book an appointment with one of those ourselves, Norwich or York, that would be fantastic, and we'll get all the PFS sorted for you. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously, if you did enjoy it, feel free to subscribe, leave a like, that'd be much appreciated. But that's us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There we go.
That's the worst when you get the giggles about something. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
That's what it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do you want me to restart that bit? I should probably restart the bit.
Yeah.
Feel, would you say, which is in terms of kind of